What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know already, we're over here at Drag Wire Solutions and we are done. Austin's done. I shouldn't say we, because I'm still not done. I've still got a lot of stuff to do to the car, but he is done with the wiring. He's finishing up the few micro touches. Let me show you what he's got going on. If y'all have not subscribed to his channel, Drag Wire Solutions, go hit him up on YouTube. And if you don't mind, go follow him on Facebook, give him a like. If you need something wired, give him a call, send him a message, and he will get you on schedule. Don't forget, Drag Wire Solutions on YouTube. We're trying to grow his YouTube channel. He's got a lot of cars that come in here. A lot of customers like to see the progress of their cars. They also like to see the final product on the YouTube channel. So it's pretty cool. So give him a like, give him a comment. It doesn't cost you anything. All it takes is just hitting that thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button. If you don't mind, go do that right now. Drag Wire Solutions. Appreciate it, guys. Y'all hadn't saw the last couple videos, just a quick update. We did crank the car up a couple nights ago. We had some growing pains. I had the wrong firing order in it. Had a stuck injector, worked through that. Last night we went out, cranked it up, and it actually sounded pretty good. What do you think, Austin? Sound pretty good last night? Sound pretty good. I did try to kill him at one point though. So this thing's up on blocks, and I was like, Austin, go see if the trans brake works. And he's like, okay, cool. So my shifter, he had it in first gear. The only problem, that's not first gear on my transmission.
Definitely not first gear.
That is second gear on my transmission. And I was actually recording when that happened, but it didn't look like it moved that much.
Yeah.
But that little...
It felt like it moved.
It felt like it was about to drop off the doggone blocks. So that was my mistake. So there, I need to cut that off and make that proper. So it's actually right. And I didn't realize that. I thought I had maybe put the shifter linkage in incorrectly when I put it in the car. And I was like, I know I saw it editing the video. I saw Austin. I was like, oh, he didn't pull it all the way back all the way. And I was like, oh, I know why he didn't, because I didn't tell him that first is not first.
Exactly.
First is second. If you ain't first, you're last. But anyway, sidetrack. We were last. So just a couple things. He's finishing up his stuff. He's got the tail lights all done. The reverse lights are done. All the wiring. He's got this stuff as a modular harness back here as well. That's the reverse. That's when you're on the trans brake backing up. The way he does this too, this is pretty cool. We talked a little bit about that relay. That relay is solid state, high amperage, continuous duty rated.
Yeah.
So it is the way. Yeah. So the way this little teeny wire right here, essentially what happens is that big relay, it gets power straight from the battery. In order for this to work, it has to have a negative. So in order for the power, you got basically two kills. He showed you the one that's up there. It's beside the speed wire kit. That's actually by speed wire 2. So I can kill the power on the inside of the car here. And then we can also kill the power from the back of the car. Now the thing is though, this one has to be on. So if this one's not on, then the front one does not work. So that's a good safety feature as well. But from the inside or outside the car, we can kill power if we need to. And when we're actually racing, we just need to make sure this one stays on, so that we actually, if they're already at the starting line or something, and I don't need them, or I need their help, I can do it inside the car. Scarlett Solutions, we got all their sensors on board. All this stuff is pretty cool, in good shape. Hey guys, so Austin and Joey and these guys got it down on the ground.
It's on the ground.
And I forgot I only did one limiter. I only tightened one limiter. And they were like, bro, it won't come off the... Man, that thing is low. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, so he's got this thing done. He just checked all the scramble. Austin, what's left?
Pull it out of the shop and put it in the trailer.
Pull.
Well, we got to do a trans brake test.
Yeah, we need to do a trans brake test. Let's turn on the CO2. You going to do it?
I'll do it.
All right.
I'll drive it right through the fan and all.
You got the flame tune in it?
I think we got it at like 3,500 or something.
We need it to pop.
Yeah, it's so pop. Now the real question is it going to start with no brake clean? We worked on the tune some last night.
Right?
Yeah. Nasty. say that come right to the tip. What did we have it on? Like 3,500?
I think it was 4,000.
Oh, was it? Was
I
that?
think that's what it went to.
Oh boy, our Hughes converter may not be adequate.
It's built for 4 pounds of boost.
That was 4 pounds of boost?
I guess I don't know how to work your shipper. That was 4 pounds. Yeah.
What? Push the little red thing forward. Now grab the hand, put it, yep. Let go of the red thing. Oh, it's the wiring guy's fault. It's the wiring guy's fault. Look, it did feel a little funky there.
Hey, redo it, let's cut the lights off.
Oh yeah.
Open the boost.
Hey, it looked like it had a little bit of flame there. Dude, that come up fast.
It did.
Is it on 4,000?
4,015 pounds.
4,100. Yeah.
4,100.
4,100.
God, that come down. Man, it did not have a problem spooling
Immediately
it.
went to it. No problem.
Let's see. We'll see what our pressure is down here too.
I wonder if it. Do we have data log set up?
Yeah, it data logged it. It should have. Is it hot? Oh, my bad. Oh yeah, that's the wiring guy's fault. That was the catch can for the oil that was leaking last night that the wiring guy forgot to tighten. We're just kidding.
I did wire that.
It was my fault. I completely forgot to tighten this. Yeah, oil pressure seemed like it was up. We got that figured out last time. We had the wrong sensor calibration.
That was slow. We can just offset it by 20 psi.
Dude, that's what I'm just saying. Now we know the secret to where you can just continue to race safely.
Exactly.
All you do is change the sensor scaling.
All I do is coolant temperature and everything.
just go. Air fuel ratio, timing makes no difference. Man, that spooled right up, guys. Like,
Fast.
yeah. We were just contemplating we think the ride height has sunk a little bit. We may end up having to raise this up a little bit. That's a little low.
You got about 2.5 inches.
Yeah, that might be a little. Okay, so we're going to definitely run that up just a little bit, and then Austin's yeah, that's a good idea to shut off the lights.
Yeah, I say do it. Austin want to do it.
Shut off the lights and see what kind of flame balls we get.
We can do it.
Make some flavor.
All right, hang on. All right, so we're fixing to roll the front end up a little bit, but I just wanted to show y'all those long travel TRS front struts. Austin, can you see me? Dude, and that seat is low. It is. I mean, there's plenty of room, but look how much travel this thing's got. We're going to drag the bumper just like, yeah. Okay, we're going to run these up real fast. Hang on. All right, guys. Well, that is a wrap. The thing is done. It is finished. Joey, Lance, Austin. I appreciate you guys. I know, right? All the Joey's all over the place. I appreciate y'all working the car, man, doing your magic. This thing is unbelievable.
Turned out really good.
What do you think?
I like it. Turned out good.
I like it, man. If you need anything wired up. All right, guys. Well, we got all this thing done. It's working. Appreciate everybody, Dragwire Solutions, Austin, everybody pitching in, working this thing in. I think it did kind of work out good the way it did. The car wasn't quite ready, and I was able to get most of my stuff done by the same time he got the stuff done that he was doing.
I think it worked out better that way.
I think so too. I think
everything we needed was mounted in place.
because that's what typically when you bring a car for wiring, it is at the point the turbo's done. Mostly everything is ready to go.
Yeah, I like to do the initial first startup here.
Right.
So we can test everything, spool it, make sure everything works, just like we did your car.
Right, and that makes sense, right? I mean, because you want it to be able to run,
Right.
because otherwise it goes out, and then if you have any issues, then you automatically blame who?
Wiring guy.
The wiring guy. No matter what it is, it's the wiring guy's fault.
Wiring guy and the tuner. They ain't worth nothing.
I bet they do catch a lot of flack, don't they? Wiring, and Austin is the tuner and the wiring guy. It's fixing to be, right?
Every time my car spins, why BJ didn't do this? Why they do that?
Right.
And if something on the car start right, like the
And I can tell you one thing for sure: the wife is she does not like new car builds, so she's going to be gaining a husband for a little while anyway. Kelly's going to be like, "Oh, it won't take long though," and Kelly will be like, "Dude, you got to go build something. You're at the house too much.
You got to get out of here.
You are around too much. I can't take this anymore."
You can't race a wife and kids.
Right.
You can race a race car.
That's right. That's right. That's what the,
Clearly, Lance is America.
I'm just saying you can't race your house. That's what you're saying. You can sleep in your car though.
You can. I've slept in it plenty of times.
This one might be a little uncomfortable. All right, guys, we are done. It's wrapping up for today. Y'all go check out Austin's channel, subscribe. He's fixing to start posting some cool content. Customers, man, they bring their cars up here. Some are secretive, and he does a lot of grudge stuff. So if you're a grudge racer, he won't show your stuff on YouTube, and he won't tell your times, and he won't do all that stuff if you're a grudge racer. But if you're not a grudge racer, if you're a class racer, or if you just like to show your stuff off, then he can show that stuff on his YouTube channel. So
We're
it's
going to
always
be
fun.
going to Fuel Tech too. Thursday.
Tomorrow, 2 days.
Well, we're going to get some real good shots and good videos of everything with the blower car.
Yep, and we showed that a little bit earlier. Austin's going to be getting some good video of that one. So it's going on Fuel Tech's dyno, and y'all going to get some good footage of that. So that'll be real fun, real good. It's going to make like 3,800 horsepower ish.
We're going to try to break that. Didn't some dude just make 5,300?
5,300.
We're going to make 6,000.
Probably make like 1,000.
1,000. He's like, we're gonna make 1,000, just 1,000. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna load this thing up in the box. We're gonna get it to Randy's. Uncle Mike, Randy, his guys, and Courtney at the Paint and Paper Hustle. They're gonna be getting the doors and front end on this thing, and we'll see you at Kinston Dragway this weekend. Again, go check out Dragwire Solutions. Hit them up. Thanks, guys.